It's done. It's finished. The beast. A sewing book that I was just going to alter the pages, you know, like you do. You rip a few out, you bend a few, until I watched Natasha from Treasure Books doing like a no-sew journal, and I thought, that's it, I'll do. So this is it. It was only 3 signatures, and then I had so much ephemera and original papers from the book that I used it. So it's quite a chunky monkey, very soft there. Closure is sari tape, but the joy of Natasha's books is that they fold flat. It doesn't matter where you work, they fold flat. So 4 signatures, a lot of the original pages. I was going to do a sewing junk journal using Alexandra M's sewing digital kit. Beautiful, full of detail and everything, only because I wanted to cut it out on my Cricut, which I can't do. There's a lot of faffing, but I did it. I realised that to cut it on the Cricut, it made the pages too small, so it wasn't very good. And I thought, well, I've printed them all out, so I'm not going to waste it, so what can I do with them? And I thought I'll incorporate it in this journal, so which is what I've done. So a lot of the ephemera is from Alexandra. This is from Tina at Making and Creating. She's another one that does digitals. Beautiful. I've used a lot of her stuff. Papers I've done myself. And that's the original. I'll say this is the sari. So I'll quick through it quickly. You'll see. I think I'm in screen, am I? I mean, it's such a beast. I don't even know how many pages I've done. So you've still got a lot of the original. This is from Tina's Creating Kit, Thingamajiggy Kit, Making and Creating. Those are some pages I found in my stuff that I've done ages ago. That is another little from Tina. More of my pages. An envelope. That was from Alexandra. That, I think that was from Creative Fabrica. I just cut it out. This is a little needle book thing from Alexandra's kit. Tina doily. That was a transparent bookmark that didn't quite work out, so I stuck it in there. As I say, there was so much. So this is from Alexandra's kit. So you've got little, I don't know if you can see those. I put glossy accents so they look like they're little buttons, and then it just hooks onto there. So you've got a tag. They've all got little charms on. You've got a tag. This hooks up. All these. I've got so much in the kit because I kept printing it off. Little booklet comes out from there. So you get the idea. More. This is from Alexandra's tote spot. I haven't put anything. Oh, yes, I have put a little button card in there. There's space there if you want to put something. So I've got an itch for my eye. Something in there. That's from Making and Creating. That's from Making and Creating. Little doilies. Another little booklet here. That pulls out. Then you've got a tag there. That's just stuck down. I left all the middle pages. Little tuck spot there. This is an envelope. This has got some of the bits from Tina's kit and making creating. Papers I found in my stash. This is all from Alexandra's kit. I don't think those are. I'm not sure where I got those from. There's another little book. That opens so you can write in there. And that's one signature. So that's one signature. So Alexander, this is from Alexandra's kit. They go in there. Whew. Let's see. So I'd move the camera up, but then I'd probably end up taking, or move my phone up, but then I'd probably end up switching it off. Again, more. So bookmarks. Stuck those on there. Little buttons I've got. Cards. Tag. Got a little charm in of a sewing machine. Doilies. This is full of ephemera that you can use. There is so much I couldn't do it all. It really was. It just got... I thought if I end up doing it, there'd be nothing. It was just so much of Alexandra's kit that I just couldn't. That was a little ephemera. Another pull-out page. That, I haven't stuffed that. So also included, we've got 2 envelopes full of ephemera that I haven't done, plus a whole packet of sewing charms. So that's all included. So I'll leave that in there. Something there that I haven't put anything in. Doily. These are antique. These are original buttons that I found in shop in States, I think. Yeah, I got. Let me show you the other ones I got. I got quite a few vintage buttons. So I've got these white ones. I've got those. They look like shirt buttons, don't they? And then those made to look like leather, but they're not. So I bought those. So where are we? So this is the second signature. Third signature. A tag with a thingy on. Pull out taggy. More. There's a little notebook that I've just left. More tags. Got little scissors. Pulls out. Little doodad. Tuck. Another tag. Haven't put anything on that one. And this is the last one. And this Velcro, again, full of stuff that you could make use of yourself. So that is it. And I mean, I best take that out. It's a bit too big. I mean, it is so chunky. I mean, and that's without people putting their own stuff in. Whew. So it measures, let's find my ruler. It measures just under 6 inches that way. This way is 9 inches. You've got this and that's almost 3 inches. But you can see, right, look. So, whew, that will be in my Etsy store later when I've done what I need to do. So, thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.